how to verify your email on Kalshi. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. To verify it, you'll need to enter your phone number and a 6-digit code will be sent to you through text message and you'll need to enter it to verify your Kalshi account. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up any browser. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla. So I'm using Google Chrome. Open it up and head over to kalshi.com. And then once you open up, you need to go to the three lines in the top right and head over to account and security. So there you'll find the complete sign up option. Tap on it and a new page will open up, and there you can see enter your number first. And you'll need to enter your number, and then you'll receive the verification code after a few seconds. Enter it, and that's it. Your account will be verified. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.